study the music and all that, you have to know what's the part of the songs and all that stuff in order to use this. See, you gotta know what's coming up next. Let's loop that right there, and then you press in, and it's using it, and then you just press out, and then it starts looping it. You press out and it starts looping it. You press out again, and then it puts it in front of this line. So then you can chop it with the jog wheel. And then you just keep chopping it, so then it builds up. And that's just pretty much it. And then you just press re-loop, and then it stops looping it.